Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay. I just want to thank Donia. I used to call her Donia, and then I heard her on her video say one time her name was Donia. I'm not going to give her last name, but her initials are Donia G C. Okay? She blessed me through my Cash App about a week or 10 days ago. I didn't see it right away when she did it, but I did see it, and I want to thank her. Thank you very much, Donia. Thank you so much. Thank you. So, that's what this video is dedicated to. Thanking Donia for blessing me. Okay, so I'm going to leave a link to her channel so y'all can see what she's all about. Okay. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And look for Donia's link in my description box. And check her out. Okay, she does hauls and she makes things, and just check her out. Okay. Bye.